everyone, hope you are well. Today I will be showing you how to do a workaround to filter two or more mutually exclusive criteria in Excel. So I have prepared this table with name, location and age. Um, I want to filter this table with all users with location equal Australia or all users age equal 20. Right? So if you don't use the workaround, you actually can't do this. So if you filter location, Australia, right, you get only users from Australia. So I want to also show users age equal 20. So if you see here, I have Malaysia as well, that has 20 years old, right? But now if I filter 20, I wouldn't get all the users from Australia, which include a person with age 19. So because when I filter here, I only can see 19 and 20. I can't see Malaysia. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. What I do is I insert a helper column, right? And I put a formula here. So I have prepared another table over here. You can put this in a different sheet. So prepare this table. So I want to filter Australia as the location. And I also want to filter age 20 and 19. Right. Actually, I want to filter age 20 only. So what I do is in this formula, I concatenate, right? Then I if error, VLOOKUP B4, which is the Australia location, and lookup H column, right? This one will be the range of your filters. So you can actually do it something like this, H14, H18. And then the column index number would be 1, just the column by itself. Then type of false. Then it is a if error formula. So I want to show blank if there's an error with the formula. Then I concatenate, comma, a space. Then I if error again, we look up C4, which is the H column, and then the I. You can do something like this, right? When you do this, you make sure you press F4 so that you can fix the table array, right? And go 1, which is by itself, and false. Then if error, put a blank. I mean empty. So press enter, right? So now when I filter this criteria, I filter on everything, right? So it will show Malaysia, right? So it will filter two mutually exclusive rows. The beauty of this is you can expand the filter to maybe 19 years old as well, right? So now you have Australia 19 and 20 years old, right? Hope this video has helped you. If you like this video, please give this video a like, and see you in the next video. And please remember to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.